Welcome to the future of luxury travel. Today, we are taking a look at 5 of the wildest motorhomes of 2026, machines that blend comfort, technology, and performance in ways the world has never seen. First up, the Volvo Motorhome. True Scandinavian beauty on wheels, clean lines, solar panels, panoramic skylight, and an interior that feels like a designer apartment. Minimalist wood finishes, smart kitchen, full bedroom, and a spa-style bathroom. Powered by a hybrid setup with over 400 horsepower and a range of 800 kilometers, it starts at $135,000. Premium but practical. Next, the Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome, a rolling penthouse. Outside, futuristic LED strips, 26-inch alloys, and gull-wing doors. Inside, it's pure royalty. Quilted Nappa leather, walnut wood, a retractable 85-inch OLED display, modular recliners, and even a spa bathroom. With a hybrid V8 delivering 900 horsepower and semi-autonomous driving, this one starts at $1.4 million, with most buyers spending over $2 million. Now, meet the Ford Motorhome, a luxury fortress on wheels. 10 wheels, dual-tone spaceship design, and a cockpit raised like a yacht bridge. Inside, recliners, OLED screens, a fireplace, smart kitchen, marble bathroom, and even an upper deck lounge. Powering it is a hybrid V8 with over 1,200 horsepower. Price: from $3.5 million, with add-ons like a rooftop jacuzzi or mini car garage. Then comes the Bugatti Motorhome, a hypercar turned mansion. Matte carbon fiber exterior, panoramic windows, 24-inch alloys, and the signature Bugatti grille. Step inside, Italian leather, carbon fiber trim, 360-degree cockpit, retractable 80-inch OLED, and a king-size bedroom. A hybrid V8 plus electric motors push 1,200 horsepower, hitting 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds. At $5.4 million, it's one of the most expensive RVs ever. And finally, the Ferrari Motorhome. Motorsport DNA fused with lifestyle luxury. Matte silver grey body, fighter jet windshield, gold Ferrari branding, and racing-inspired wheels. Inside, Ferrari leather everywhere, ambient lighting, carbon fiber panels, and a bedroom that feels like a 5-star suite. Underneath, a hybrid V12 makes 1,200 horsepower, delivering insane speed and control. Base price: $3.8 million, with bespoke models exceeding $5 million. So, whether it's Volvo's practicality, Maybach's royalty, Ford's fortress, Bugatti's hypercar spirit, or Ferrari's racing luxury, these 2026 motorhomes prove one thing: the future of travel is here, and it's beyond imagination.